I'm checking for continuity right there. It looks like we had some rodents cause a surge. Originally, I got called out to a no cool call. Came out to the condenser because the blower was working. Opened it up. Realized there was a nice large nest of some kind of rodent, something that's kind of preventable when you're doing your maintenances. Removed all the rodent nest and just saw a lot of chewed up wires. It looks like the 24 volts that are coming to the system was compromised, so I'm sending them out a quote on what it would take to replace it with the wireless kit. Pretty common out here in the country.